Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. You see the effect and everything is nice, so let's see how we can create it. The first thing is that we need a blank space. In the blank space, we format the background and use gradient fill and this contribution, but I'm thinking that the mere red is better than the blue that we have. So something like this. It makes a better feel, I think. And the transparency it's too low. Okay, it's nice. Now we have the effect. We've applied to all. Now this is the text, and these two are some rectangle, nothing more. And there is nothing different in creating them, but let's recolor them to something more. Okay, it's nice. The contrast always is going to make everything look better. For some of you, that project name is created with what? Create with these effects if you want. And I'm going to use a more simplest effect, not this thing. I'm going to use this. Okay, this is good. Then I'm going to add this picture. So how I create this? This is just a simple trick. You need to insert a shape by holding shift, so create it in the first place, and hold control to create a copy of that. Then just copy of them like this, so they align perfectly. And then another copy of them, another copy, another copy, another copy, another copy, and that's all. Then press Ctrl A, go to shape format and make them onion. Then rotate it like this. And then you insert the picture. But there is something that you must, if I remember right, rotate with the shape. You must disable that. And after that, you need to set the shape outline to none. You see the shape is created. And now we just copy that, paste it here. Then cut this slide and reduce it. Then bring it in and put your text. The lorem ipsum is a text that we use as a placeholder and it has not meaning in that. But let's take a look. See, it's pretty nice. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time, everybody. Until then.